Hey creators! Today we're diving into the details of YouTube Studios to decode the magic number that drives our content, the overview. I'll walk you through the steps of checking your view analytics in YouTube Studio. Let's jump in and discover the secrets behind these view counts. Start by opening YouTube Studio on your phone. By opening the application, you will see the Analytics option at the bottom of the screen in the very center. Click on it. Opening the page itself will take you directly to what exactly we need. Here we can see a lot of options offered such as views, watch hours, followers. Then you can see an option that allows you to see the last week's average and popularity of your videos. Then an option that shows you the top content of your videos. And finally an option where you can see the real time of your videos. So to get started, first we'll go to the previews option. Click on it. By opening the page, you can see overviews of your videos for the last 28 days on a daily basis. At the very top, you can see the options offered, such as reviews for a period of 1 week, then 28 days, then 90 days or 3 months, and finally 365 days or a whole year. By clicking on any of these options, you can see previews of the videos in those periods. In addition to these options, there are also options to select by month. By clicking on any month, you can compare with the previous month and see the difference between the months in the overviews. It also has a lifetime option where you can see the entire viewing period by days. That's it for the review, and now let's get to the viewing hours. Click on the Watch Chat option. By opening a new page, you can see your hours for a period of 28 days on a daily basis. Of course, there are options here as well that we went over in the previous part, i.e. related to the views option, so the options are the same. The next option is for subscribers, so let's see that too. Click on the subscribers option. By opening a new page, you can see your subscribers for the previous 28 days and also on a daily basis. As I said a little before, all the options are repeated here as well as in the previous 2 explanations.
The next option we'll go over is the last week's average.
This option shows you how many sims you posted in the previous 7 days, then how many people viewed your videos in total during that period, then how your followers or viewers found you. You can also see which of your videos have been watched the most, and the last, how they reacted. Let's move on. The next option is about top content. Here you can see the total views on your videos, ranked from popular to least popular. By clicking on the videos at the very top, you can see which video was popular in a period of 7 days, 28 days, 90 days, 365 days. Then by month you can also see. And the last option we'll end today's video with is Really Time. Click on that option. By opening this option, you can see in the previous 48 hours how your videos are growing per hour. To be more precise at the top, click on the 60 minutes option. Now you can grow your videos per minute and of course which videos they are. And there it is! You have successfully checked your YouTube Studio View analytics. Understanding where your views are coming from is key to adjusting your content strategy. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in,